So where are we?
We are at a dairy farm and we're gonna go get some fresh milk and look at the cows. We haven't really done much since we've gotten to Michigan, so we thought that we'd just be extravagant and go check out the local area.
Yeah. So they got little baby cows. I'm gonna try to pet them. I don't know what the rule is with COVID, but
You just walk around and pet. It's fun.
yeah. So that's that.
Look at all the cows!
I'm gonna see if I can pet one.
No skateboarding by the cows. I didn't see it.
So cute. I think that one back there wants to be pet.
Can you just pet them?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I think number 462 also wants a pet. Hi, buddy. He's licking me. He's licking. No. Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah, it tastes like bacon, huh?
So I'm gonna take some hay from over here.
He apologizes to baby cow. Nah, I think he's tired of hay.
My jacket.
We got a cow with mad cow disease. Moo.
Let's look at that. Did you see that?
Yeah. Hey, big guy. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
They want some food. Here you go. That's the fresh stuff. Ooh, this is a big one.
That is a big one. Go for it. Oh, they're licking each other. That's cute.
The quail just flew out. You heard it? There's a
Yeah,
quail
I
in
did.
there.
There's a ton up there.
Oh, it's a pigeon, my bad. Pigeon, burbs. That's cute. There's a lot of birds in here, actually. Well, it must be because it's warm. We actually just saw all those take off. Smells like poo.
He's like, I want to eat you. I like this little thing. Yeah, they're just chilling out over there.
I've always wanted to work here.
What's up?
It's gonna go get milk. Let's go quickly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, one of them's about to be milked, I guess. Run. We run it.
Try to go in the store.
Oh, we made it. Yeah.
the machine just goes in.
And it cleans it off. That's really nice.
And the cows just go in there whenever they need to be milked.
That's crazy.
I've never seen this in action. That's awesome.
Oh, that's amazing. They have such a good quality of life.
Yeah, and they clean them off after.
Mm-hmm. 1 udder, 2 udder.
It looks like it's done.
I don't think so. Milking takes a while.
Oh, it's gonna go in and suck it.
So my camera's picking up a little bit of an infrared light. I thought that was my camera glitching out, but that's actually how the machine is able to detect the udders. That's really cool. I was wondering how that worked. If it just was like, you can see like the little red bits right
Yeah.
there. It'll highlight.
That's awesome.
I wouldn't have even seen that if I was just watching.
And you can see the milk going through the tube.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
it looks like they're washing it off again. That's milk. Now the cow just leaves. And I think there's another cow lined up ready to get milked too.
Bye, Moo Moo.
Check it out. This one's about to come on in.
Is it now?
Yeah.
Oh, geez, so we get to see the full part. Hi, buddy. Hey, girl. You got a big old bell on your neck.
Aww.
And then this is how we see the beginning. Yep, and then it goes back and repeats the process.
So
It
it
cleans off the udders,
Yeah.
washes them down, and then rinse and repeat, quite literally.
That's awesome. I'm so glad that we got to see that because that is.
That's a pretty rare sight. Like, even though we're at a dairy farm,
Yeah.
Uh,
I've never seen this. I've lived here my entire life and never seen anything like this at this farm. So I'm really like astounded. This is so cool.
I'm glad that you guys got to end up seeing that.
Yeah, honestly, that's special. I'm not sure if they have any right now. Oh, they do. Look at them. They're so cute. Oh, they're cute.
Oink, oink, oink.
They're all so sweet. That one's so cute. A little
Mmm.
smelly, huh?
Well, they're pigs.
Yeah, they're cute. They all ran up to us. They're like, food. I think they might be getting fed soon. But yeah, that's why we think that we're going to feed them. Oops, we're not.
I mean, I think there's some feed right here. Yeah, absolutely. I was just checking it out. See another good little angle here.
Yeah, I'm so happy. There's so many pigs.
Look at this guy. He's all excited.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get a little bit more of you guys. I'm going to be polite here and get everyone. That looks to be as far as it goes. So now I'm just going to get a little bit of an aerial shot. Whoa! They all got scared. Who did it?
So cute. I'm really happy. This was a successful day at the farm, I think.
Now, what do they have over here? Just all their equipment?
That's the utility farm. But
Oh, nice. Oh, it looks like another family's here.
yeah. That's basically all that they have here.
Well, that was fun.
Dude, that was really fun. I'm so glad that we got to come here.
I'm just gonna say goodbye really quick.
They're so cute. We have to.
Someone's mooing. Moo!
Move.
Moo!
That one's like, what are you doing?
We're not.
They were moving a second